we have to check the connections. Okay, curvature connection. Let me just check everything is okay. Great. You know, I just saw a bug here in curvature. It seems like there's a problem here, but no, because the curvature is connected, and if you reduce the tolerance, it will be fixed. Okay, so don't attention to these and try to check everything with locator. Great. We talked about locator earlier, so we don't have any question about that. Okay, now here, let me just create this crown, and I have a soft surface here. So what I'm gonna do here is try to use arrows to modify the range. So for example, here, from here to here, just for an example, because I can change everything later. I have a soft surface. And here, it's a line connect, and you can also add the value here if you wish, because you know it is super professional if you use same values here. 0.4110. So it is a very professional thing. It affects the quality. So everything is important here, because everything is manual and it depends on you. Okay, turn on the crown. Flip. And a bigger crown here, much more bigger. Now I have to achieve this crown, so let me just change it to wireframe and try to change the crown position. Great. 0.15. Change the crown position again. Great, now a little bit more, just one, good, change this one. Now a little bit crown shape, maybe. 0.16. Much better now. 1.1. Great. And just reduce the value here, because wider surfaces here means better connections. Okay, let me just check the square first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 curvature G2 and 3 curvature G2. Great, this is the result. Very good, very clean.